Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome. If you're an industrial professional here in the kingdom, you know that reliability isn't just a nice to have, it's the absolute foundation of your entire operation. Today, we're going to talk about a small component that plays a huge role in protecting that foundation. So here's what we'll cover. We're going to show you that this isn't just about a product. It's really about a complete strategy for ensuring your operational reliability from the component itself all the way to the local partnership that supports it. All right, first things first, let's look at the component itself. It's so important to understand this is not your standard everyday battery. This is a high-integrity power source, and it's engineered specifically for your most critical industrial systems. And its whole reason for being is to provide absolute, dependable power. We're talking about those can't-fail applications, like remote sensors out in the field, memory backup for your PLCs, or those huge networks of utility meters that keep our infrastructure running. Now, what's really amazing here is how these numbers on the screen translate to real-world performance. I mean, just look at that operating temperature range, from -55 all the way up to 85 degrees Celsius. That is perfect for the demanding climate here in the kingdom. And with a self-discharge rate of less than 1% a year, you're looking at a shelf life of over 10 years. That is reliability defined by engineering. Saib, so we've seen the specs and they're impressive. But now let's flip the coin. Let's talk about what really happens when a lower quality power source gives out in one of these critical applications. You know, the cost is so much more than the price of a little battery. When a critical component like this fails, it stops being a simple hardware issue. It immediately becomes a question of your entire operational integrity. Think about it. A single battery failure can kick off a disastrous chain reaction. It could mean catastrophic data loss in your PLCs. It could bring an entire production line to a grinding halt. Or worse, it could mean your safety systems suddenly go dark, creating huge risks. All of this leads to incredibly expensive downtime, and that's just not an option in our industries. So, this brings us to the most crucial point of all. The TL5902 battery is a fantastic product, no doubt about it, and you can get it from a lot of places. But the complete solution, the one that gives you long-term operational peace of mind, that only comes from us, right here at AskA Solution. And this chart just lays it all out perfectly. On one side, you've got a simple transaction. You buy a box. On our side, you get a local partner. We don't just ship a component from overseas, we deliver a complete, locally supported solution that's designed to protect and enhance your operations right here in the kingdom. So, what does that partnership actually look like in practice? Well, this is where we're truly different. We offer a full-circle service commitment to every single one of our clients. It's a promise that starts the very moment you get in touch with us. We don't just drop a box at your gate and disappear. Our promise covers the whole journey. It starts with fast delivery to your site no matter where you are in the kingdom. Then our own expert engineers handle the installation and configuration. We manage the full commissioning, and we back it all up with our commitment to lifetime local support. Our logistics network is built for Saudi Arabia, so whether your facility is in Dammam, Jubail, Riyadh, Jeddah, or even a remote site out in Ras Al Khair or Hafji, we have the network to get this product to you fast. No long waits. And this part right here is absolutely crucial. Our partnership really and truly begins after the sale. We are your local team right here in Saudi Arabia, ready to provide preventive maintenance, technical help, and expert services for years to come. And this entire service commitment we're talking about, it's all built on a foundation of trust. A trust that we've earned by proving our commitment to the highest possible standards of quality and safety in the industry. This isn't just some marketing slogan. This is our verified promise to you. Being an Aramco-approved supplier and being ISO certified is your absolute guarantee that our products, our people, and our processes meet the most demanding standards in the world. These two certifications, they are your independent proof of our deep commitment to industrial excellence and safety. So, if there's one key takeaway from all this, it's to shift your perspective. Stop thinking about just buying another part. Start thinking about investing in a complete, reliable, and locally supported operational solution from a partner that you can truly trust. Shukran. We are here to help your operation succeed and grow with total confidence. We invite you to connect with our team of expert engineers to talk about your specific needs. Get the TL5902 battery, but more importantly, get it backed by the comprehensive local engineering installation and lifetime support that only AskA Solution provides. Contact us today and let's start the conversation.